One ball. One ball. Two balls. One, two. Two balls. Three balls. One, two, three. Three balls. Hi, I'm Jill, and today I'm going to talk to you about plurals in English. We're going to look at things that we can count. One ball, two balls, three balls. And we're going to look at things we can't count. So we can't say one water, two waters. We're going to see how we make plurals in English. Just add S. Vowel change. Change the Y to IES. And we're going to look at why it's so important to know if something is singular or plural. So let's get started. So if I can say one ball, two balls, three balls, that's easy. So can I say one water, two waters? No. And can I say one mouse, two mouses? No. So plurals in English are not so easy. Let's find out why. So flowers are an easy one. Just add S. One flower, two flowers, a lot of flowers. Here's another easy plural. One pineapple, two pineapples. Just add S. Do you know this game? Inside, it has houses. One house, two houses. Just add S. But we say one mouse, two mice. Another easy one. One hand, two hands. Just add S. But one foot, two feet. Another plural with a vowel change. One tooth, two teeth. Some words that end in Y, to make the plural, we change the Y to IES. So for example, one cherry, two cherries. Some things have two different possible forms of plurals, like tomatoes. We can say two tomatoes or two tomatoes. Both spellings are okay. The same goes for avocados. We can say two avocados or two avocados. Again, both spellings are okay. This also works for mangoes. We even have some words in English where the plural is exactly the same as the singular. For example, fish. One fish, two fish, three fish. Or if you can't sleep and you're counting sheep, one sheep, two sheep, three sheep. It's exactly the same. So water is something we can't count. It's uncountable. So we can't say one water, two waters. We just say some water. So water has no plural. We don't say waters. We might use the container that the water is in to count. So if we're having a drink of water, we might say a cup of water, two cups of water. And we might take out the cup word and just, if we're ordering in a cafe or a bar, two waters, please. But the meaning is two cups or two glasses of water. The water itself is uncountable, so doesn't have a plural. So why is it so important to know if something is singular or plural, if it's countable or uncountable? It's so we can match it to the verb that we use in English. So for example, here we have one mouse. One person in the present, we add an S to the verb. So the mouse sits on the chair. The mouse, only one, sits with an S. But if we have two mice, when it's plural, there's no S on the verb in the present. So the mice sit on the chair. So singular or plural, countable or uncountable, is important for verb agreement in English. So for something we cannot count, we use the singular form of the verb. There's no plural, so we don't use the plural form of the verb. So we would say, there is some water in my cup. Singular form of the verb is. So there is some water in my cup. Some common words that people make mistakes with that have no plurals are things like information. I'm looking for some information about something. There's no plural, we never say informations. Another one is equipment. If you want to go and play tennis, for example, you need some equipment. No S, no equipments, it's just singular form. And advice. If I want to give you some advice, I might give you more than one piece of advice, but the advice itself is uncountable. So I'm going to give you some advice. Study English every day. Visit Jill's pronunciation gym and subscribe to Jill's YouTube channel. 3 pieces of advice, but I'm just giving you some advice. So as you can see, English plurals are not straightforward. There's no simple way to make a word a plural. And some words don't even have plurals. When I check students' writing in English, I would say most of the mistakes stem from knowing whether something is singular or plural. Because if you get that wrong, the spelling's going to be wrong, the verb won't match, and it causes all kinds of other problems. So this is one of the most important things to learn in English. So when you learn a new word, try to learn whether it has a plural form and what that plural form is. It's useful to learn some common words which don't have a plural form. Knowing which words are only singular is a very useful thing. So I've made a list of some of the most common words that are uncountable in English, words that don't have a plural. So if you're interested, I'll put the link to that below the video. So I hope you understand a little bit more about English plurals now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for lots more English videos. And you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram for lots of motivation and inspiration. Thanks for watching.